Hey there, IT enthusiasts! Welcome to another bite-sized tech tutorial. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of network topologies. We've got 4 heavy hitters to break down: star, mesh, ring, and bus. So let's get started. First up, the star topology. Picture a star-shaped web with one central device like a hub or switch in the middle. All other devices are connected to this central point. If any device needs to communicate, it sends data to the hub first. This setup is super easy to manage and troubleshoot. But there's a catch. If the central hub fails, the entire network stops. Imagine the hub as the heart of the network. If it stops beating, everything else comes to a halt. Next, let's talk mesh topology. In a mesh topology, every device is directly connected to every other device. Think of it as a web of interconnected roads. Data can take multiple routes to reach its destination, making it incredibly reliable. Even if one connection fails, data can find another path. But there's a downside. It can get pricey and complex as more devices are added. Imagine trying to install and maintain all those connections. Now, let's move on to ring topology. Imagine a ring where each device is connected to exactly 2 others, forming a circle. Data travels in one direction, passing through each device until it reaches its destination. It's simple and organized, but if one device goes down, it can disrupt the entire ring. Think of it like a relay race. If one runner falls, the baton can't move forward. Finally, we have bus topology. In bus topology, all devices are connected to a single shared cable. Picture passengers on a bus route, all waiting for their stop. Data flows along this cable, and each device listens for its own data. It's cost-effective for small networks, but can become slow with heavy traffic. Plus, if the main cable fails, the whole network can go down. So there you have it, a quick rundown of star, mesh, ring, and bus topologies. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the right choice depends on your specific needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.